Hello everyone, I'm back with new videos of Flask using Python after a long interval. I had taught networking 3 to 4 years, but I was thinking that I should explain it practically. I want to do it practically. So I will be explaining one concept of networking, that is cryptography, and cryptography in the sense symmetric key cryptography. I explained one topic of networking security related, the steganography using image in Python long back ago. Today I will be presenting a video on topic symmetric key cryptography. Remember that in symmetric key cryptography only one key is used. I will give an example. Suppose you have written a letter to your close friend and you want to give that letter to your close friend only. So you will write the contents on that paper and you will close that paper and you will write the name of the friend to whom you want to give, close friend you want to give the letter. So the letter should be read by your close friend only, not by anyone else. So you will give him a very good manner to your friend. That means he will open, because the name of the close friend is written, so he will open the letter and he will read the message. That means only one key is used here, because you have the letter you have written content on that letter page, what a page or something. So that key is only one key is used by your friend also and you also, that paper. Okay, so we will go through the program of Flask to explain symmetric key cryptography. First of all, I will show you the HTML files. First of all, main file index.html. This is index.html. Here CSS is also used, and HTML part is also encrypt, and this part. Now we will use encrypt part. Encryption part is used. Now we will see another part. Decrypt part is used of HTML. Yes, this is decrypt part of HTML. These are the pages which will appear on the screen when you run the program, because it is HTML part. Now after encryption, this page will appear. CSS is also used to design the web page, and after decryption, this is decryption part. You can design your page in your different manner. Now I will go to the main part, that is Python file app.py. Here the required library needed for the program, cryptography package is installed with using pip command, secret key, encrypt, decrypt, and this part. And I will be running the program on terminal by the port number 5000. Now I will execute the program. Python 3 app.py. Yes, program has been running. Now we will open the browser. Yes, so encrypt text which you want to encrypt your close friend, the letter welcome to the Mahajan YouTube channel. Yes, now I will encrypt it. This is the text. Yes, now I want to decrypt. This is the key. That means your friend will open that letter by saying his name on the page, and this is cheaper text. And unless until means the code word written by you will only be known to your friend, to nobody else, because you are giving that letter to your close friend, not your friend, close friend. So you will write some code words. So that is cheaper text and key. Now here I will decrypt it. See properly. Now decrypt. Yes, here. Now I will copy the cheaper text which is converted into text which cannot be understood by anyone else. That is cheaper text, and the key to convert it into original form, decrypt form. Yes, welcome to yes. So I have successfully done with encryption using symmetric key cryptography. This is very important concept in networking, taught many times. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more videos on Flask, Pandas, more videos on machine learning, more videos on Streamlit, and many more videos on Node.js. So thanks for watching.